One of the fastest ways to lose your audience is bad audio, whether you're on camera or recording a voiceover. So before you hit that record button, listen. If you're outside, wind is your biggest enemy. Turn your back to the wind or move beside a building like I am right now, or another large object to block it. And don't forget people, conversations, crowds, phones ringing. Watch for traffic construction, even birds. If it's loud to you, it's even louder on your phone. If you're inside, big rooms echo. Kitchens, hallways, empty spaces, they bounce sound everywhere. If it sounds hollow, move closer or switch rooms. Rooms with carpet, curtains, and clothes work great. Also, check for those sneaky noises, AC units, fans, even music in the background. Get close to your camera, about 1 arm's length. And if you're doing a voiceover, talk directly into that built-in microphone. Take 5 seconds before you record just to listen, because if the audio is messy, the message gets lost.